this address, from this house, from this room, because Corona said, psych.
Let me get it back. Hello. Hey, slime. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out.
There, my YouTube viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Beauty Health, also known as Asia Web. Obviously, as you can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour slash I kind of turned my room into a dorm because, as you know, due to COVID, a lot of kids are not able to attend school on campus. So like me, for instance, I will be attending school from this address, from this house, from this room, because Corona said, psych. So I spent literally the last 2 days deep cleaning my room, kind of giving it more like a dorm feeling and whatnot, this, that, and the third. So I thought, why not give y'all a room tour, because it's not something I did. It's not something I've done in a really long time, and I thought, why not? Also because I think it's kind of cute, but it's like really me, so it's like kind of fits my aesthetic. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about at this point, so before we jump into the video, don't forget to follow me on my social medias that are linked on the screen and down below in the description box for you. Give this video a big thumbs up so I can know what to film for you next, and don't forget to subscribe and join the family, because we are growing every single day, and I would love for you guys to come grow with me. So I'm talking a lot, so let's just hop right into it. So when we first come into my room, right here we have just this like shoe mantle, little shoe thing where I could just put all my go-to shoes, like my work shoes and stuff. Right now I just have like these random shoes up here, but I normally like to keep my Crocs and things like that, which I have at the bottom. Therefore, like when I come in, I could just like drop off my shoes, because I have the tendency of kicking my shoes off and then just piling my shoes up right here anyway. So this was in my closet, and it had 4 to 5 levels of it, so I took 2 of them out and set them over here. Then next to it, we have my dresser. This is my big, ooh, I just fell off the bed. But this is my big mirror dresser where I keep all my main clothes that I'm going to wear. And on the dresser, I just have these pictures. I have my makeup that is organized. If you know that it used to be on my desk, but now it's not. So I have all my makeup up here. And then I have my favorite go-to makeup palettes up here as well. And then here, I have some extra like makeup removers, some pictures from prom and New Year, then some ointment, some makeup remover, moisturizer, and deodorant, because that is key to life, because you don't want to stinks, period. Then I have this jewelry box where I just keep all my jewelry in it. Then I just have this random stuff right here, but that's really everything is on my dresser. Then coming in, we have like this blank space. I plan on putting some shelves up here, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna go shopping tomorrow for some shelves, but over here I just keep all my extra school stuff that's in these bins. I have extra school stuff, some beats that are sitting up there. I keep my wigs, some of my wigs here as well. Then I have just this photo frame that I'm gonna put photos in and hang up, and then this is just some extra YouTube stuff. Then right next to this, we have my nightstand. On my nightstand, I just have my charging thing. You should definitely get this. I bought this on Amazon. You could charge your Apple Pen, iPods, your Apple Watch, and phone all at the same time. And it's freaking, the Apple Watch and the phone part is wireless. Just some daily Bible quotes. A poem my mom wrote for me on my 15th birthday. Change. Some random stuff. Then in the drawer I have all my like calculates, and then below this is just miscellaneous stuff. A step stool, because you know I need to get my closet. I'm very short, so I have a step stool. Then here we have the main part that takes up most of my room. We just have my bed. This is what it looks like, and then above my bed I have lights with the pictures, and then I have like this quote that's posted on the wall, and it says, "Live your life to the fullest, you're extraordinary, and always be curious." There's another one over here on this side too, above the shoe rack that's down here, and it just says, "It's not always about the ending. It's about the story. It's about the story. It's about the story. Never stop dreaming." Alrighty, so moving from the bed, this is what it looks like. Next to the bed, I have this cart, and on this cart, the top row, I have candles, all my medications and medicines. I know I have a lot of medication medicines. Please don't attack me in the comments. And then I have all my like body sprays and stuff. On the second row, I have school stuff, and then the small mini ring light for like if I want to like film anything over here in this area. Then below here, I just keep all my birthday cards, some phone cases, and all my cheerios and peppermints. Then right here, it's like my little like shoe mirror area, as you can see. And here, these are not all my shoes, but this is most of my shoes. I have them stacked up. Comment Nike if you want to see an updated shoe collection. I have 3 mirrors. I have one here, I have one here, hello, and I have one here. Then I just have this random pillow sitting here, and then I just have this rug because it matches this set, so I decided to roll it out. Then next to this, we have my TV and another dresser that I keep closing as well. I don't really use this dresser. I usually just like stuff clothes on this dresser. Shh, don't tell my mom. She's gonna get on me for that. Then I have random stuff on this dresser, like a sock. I feel like everybody has random stuff on their dresser, so please don't clock me in the comments for this. Then over here, I have this blank wall. I just have pictures up here. I ran out of tape, so I never got to finish putting up the pictures, but it is what it is. Then we have my closet. That's for another day, another time, because usually if you have a walk-in closet, you know it can get pretty messy. Then here I just have this like extra storage. I keep socks down here, just like they're separated from like whites and then colorful socks. And then in here I just have all kinds of random stuff, mostly for school and like YouTube stuff. There's some random makeup stuff here, one of my other YouTube lenses, hair stuff behind it. I have books underneath my bed. I have the rest of my books. Then here, these are some more books, but these books on the second shelf is just all my school books, except for these three books are books that I'm reading on my own. Some random stuff. Over here, I got some camera stuff, and then below here, it's just all makeup. Yeah, and these are all the lashes and stuff and the lip glosses and stuff that I sell for my website, for my brand, for my business. And then over here, we have my desk. I'm not going to go too deep into this, just more like an overview because I'm going to be giving a desk tour soon. But this is just what my desk look like. It's black. It's simple. I just have that. And then above my desk, I have a cork board. Then I have this puzzle I did during quarantine. And then I have this painting I painted behind there. And then I have this like little cart where I keep like all kinds of stuff in there. And then behind the cart, I keep my UGG cleaner. I have my bonnet, my laptop charger, some hand sanitizer. And then above that, I just have a command hook so I can keep my both set of my car keys up here because I have a tendency of leaving them. And then back to square one, behind the door that enters my room is my backpack for the school year, so I can just grab and go what I need. So yeah, that's pretty much, there we go. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. You could barely see me because it's so freaking bright. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I know it's kind of short and I don't really have like a theme or aesthetic to my room because like realistically speaking, if I was in school, this is what my room would really typically look like. It would be plain and boring because that's how my mom like it when I'm not home. She wants it to seem like nobody lives here when I still live here, but she tells herself that I do not live here anymore because now I spend 9 months out of the year at school, at college, learning and becoming more of a black educated woman. So yeah, if you came this far, I love you guys all the way to the moon and back, and thank you so much, and I definitely see you in the next upload. Peace out, Girl Scout, and be safe.
Let me get it back. Hello.